broken up again by Ravarius Rivers.
Rivers was among the first there for the Blizzard. And incomplete, that one was almost intercepted. Was that Rivers again that made a great play?
Rivers has turned into one of the best defenders that Green Bay has to offer this season.
Rivers, who is their leading tackler.
Sale has a man underneath, throws it over, it's picked off, coming the other way with speed. Ravarius Rivers, and he.
Lorenzo Brown got tripped up at the 10-yard line. It'll be a no gain.
Beautiful play in the back of the end zone by Simpson. A one-handed catch on the screen play, but the Blizzard are
strong coverage there by Ravarius Rivers.
For the Blizzard. Hilliard. Ball is out. They say it's a live ball.
That's his third play where he came over from center field and just made it.
Hilliard tried to reach across and break the plane.
Early took a big hit to his back.
He's looking deep again, this time for Caleb Smith. It is broken up again, but putting the seatbelt on. And a high kick, fielded by Durant in the end zone. Rivers, oh, this might be a safety. No, they will get, oh my goodness. And a handoff to Jimmy Robinson. Robinson cuts it up. He's still on his feet, and he is decked. Reeder looking for the end zone. Broken up. Ravarius Rivers. And hit hard.
It's much better field position now. It's 2nd and 6. Denley takes the handoff, runs into his own offensive lineman. Overly excited. Thurnis is going to take the pitch here.
Out. He will throw. Jones has the catch. No good. At the 2-yard line, but there haven't been too many.
Still looking to fire. Quickly goes downfield. That ball was tipped, and it is intercepted.
Now he drops it off for Jimmy Robinson. Robinson still not getting much.
The lane up the middle of the field and has the Steamwheelers in some good.
Across the formation. And that is Ben Jones, and Ben Jones is tripped up. He tried.
Reeder, quick look right. Reeder once again calls his own number, and he is tackled at the 20.
Off here, and a ooh!